Hi guys, welcome to G Home Cooks. Today's recipe is mushroom kebab. It is a very simple recipe and a perfect evening snack. So let's see the recipe. Firstly, I am taking a bowl, adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour and the same quantity of corn flour, salt, red chilli powder, garam masala, dhania powder, and finely chopped garlic, and finely chopped curry leaves, half teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, and a half lemon juice. Add some food color, it is optional, and mix it well. Now add some water and mix it well without any lumps. Batter should be thick. Now our batter is ready. Take this batter and add our mushrooms and dip it completely in the batter and drop it in the hot oil. Drop it one by one slowly. Mushroom contains water in it, so it takes extra 2 to 3 minutes to fry. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip them. Mushrooms take 10 minutes to fry. After 10 minutes, they become crispier. Now they are perfectly cooked. Now take it out from the oil. Our mushroom kebab is ready. Did you like the recipe? Then give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.